Good morning, children. Are you all fine? Well, let's get into today's class. We have discussed the topic position ordinal numbers. So now in this class also we are discussed the topic position of a letters. Okay. Now here all of you open your textbook. Open your textbook. Page number 8. Page number 8. Second bit. Page number 8. Second bit. Now this is a page number 8. Second bit. Filling the blanks. Here given filling the blanks. Okay. Now here, so in filling the blanks they are given here 5 filling the blanks. In first question given like this. Position of n in internet. Okay. So now internet for 2 n's are there, but now we can find out the I after n. Here this n we can find out the position of a n. Now look at the board once all of you. Here I is the position of first and n is the position of second. So now position of a n letter is second. The position of n letter is second. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now B bit. Position of K in Facebook. Facebook FACEBOOK. So now we can find out position of a Facebook. Now we can write the positions. First F in first position, A in second, C in third position, E in fourth position, B in fifth position, O sixth, another O 7, and K, the position of a K is 8th position. The position of K in Facebook is 8th position. Now I am writing here 8th. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, then after you can rub this one. Okay, here positions you can rub. Next one, position of n in kindergarten. Okay, position of n in kindergarten. Okay, so now in kindergarten, now look at the board here, the position of n. Okay, now we can find out first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. The position of K in first position, the position of I in second position, the position of N in third position, the position of D in fourth position, the position of E in fifth position, the position of R in sixth position. In garden, now look at the board here, in G in seventh position, A in eighth position, R in ninth position, T in 10th position, E 11th, and in 12th. Okay, 12th position. So now the position of n in kindergarten is 12th position. Okay, so now in blank we can write here 12th, 12 and th. Okay, so total 12th. Okay, understood? Okay, understood all of you? So now the position of n in kindergarten is equal to 12th. Here already n is there, but they are asking here n. This n, the position of n is equal to 12th position. Now I am going to D bit. Here position of A in universal. A in universal. So now we can find out. Now first I am writing here first 2 onwards. U in first position, N in second position, I in third position, third. Next V in fourth position, E in fifth position, R in sixth position, S in seventh position, 8 in eighth position. Okay, the position of A in universal is equal to 8th position. Now I am writing here 8th. Okay, now I am writing here 8th. Then finished after, again the positions here you can rub. Okay, understood? Now next, position of L in stole. Position of L in stole. So the position of S. The position of S in first position. The position of T in second position. The position of O in third position. The position of L in fourth position. So now the answer is fourth. Okay. So the position of L in stole is equal to fourth. So now all of you note down in your textbook. So first bit, A bit answer second, B bit 8th, C bit 12th, D bit 8th and E bit answer 4th. All of you write in your textbook with pencil. Okay, write with neat handwriting. Okay, note down all of you. Understood? Shall I give one more problem? Okay, now this is one. All of you close your textbook. Close your textbook. Finished, no? So now you are finished after finished, all of you what you can do it, take a photo. Okay, this is today's homework. Okay, so now all of you this one writing, no? So this finished after finished, all of you take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay, understood all of you? Take a photo. Now this is the today's homework, only text work. Okay, text work, today's homework. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, 2nd, 8th, 12th, 8th, 4th. Okay, so this is the total picture. Means second bit total you take a neat photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay, understood all of you? Now take your diary, all of you. Take your diary and write day and date. Day, Tuesday, and date 29. Day Tuesday and date 29. And write max diary work. Okay. Innings 1.2 second bit write in textbook. Now all of you writing in your textbook, no? So now this finished after, take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Understood all of you? So these are the 5 problems given in your textbook. So shall I repeat one more example for you? Okay. Now here, first listen. Now no need to write. This is only example. For your understanding purpose, I am explaining. Okay. Position of E in Jasmine. Position of E in Jasmine. So now I underline E. Okay. So now what is the position of a E in Jasmine? Okay. So now I can find out. So now first J in first position, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. What is the position of E? Seventh. So understood all of you? Likewise, you take any word and you can write any letter. What is the position of E? Likewise, if for example, you take rose. Rose. So now what is the position of S? What is the position of S in rose? So now we can find out. What is the position of rose in S? Third. Okay, what is the answer? Third. For example, any apple, like a apple, you take a apple. In this apple, what is the position of L? Okay, position of L in apple. L, fourth position. Okay, Understood? Likewise, you can take any word and you can write any word means position of any letter you take, and you can write positions also. Okay, understood all of you? So now we will meet again another topic. Till then, goodbye.